Welcome to my YouTube channel TechZone by Alice. In this video, I am going to tell you about how to add your business on Google. We all know that registering a business on Google My Business is very important because it can increase online business visibility. To get better customer engagement, it's a special way to interact with customers. First, you need to open google.com. Add search Google Business Profile. Now tap on Google Business Profile. Scroll down the page and tap on the link of Google Business Profile. Now you can check the detail on the page. Tap on Manage Now. So here you have to enter your business name. Tap on Continue. And select all that apply to your business. After selection, tap on the Next. Enter your website. If you have, otherwise, you can skip it. Next, you have to enter your business category. After enter your business category, tap on Next. Now enter the location where customers can visit your business. Select your country, region. Enter your street address. Enter sector. Enter city. Enter postal code. Here it shows that business looks like your business. If one of them is your business, then select one, otherwise tap on none of these. Then tap on Next. Now you have to locate your location where you are located. Now tap on Next. Now on this page you have to add your phone number. If you want to add your phone number, you can add here, otherwise you can skip it. Now to put your business on the map, you need to accept and check the term of services and Google privacy policy, then tap on Continue. On this verification page, you need to select proper method for your business verification. This is the time to add the business hour on your business page. Select your working hours and closing hours and days accurately to get better response from your customers. Then tap on Next. If you want to accept messages from your customers, then on the option Accept Messages. Now add your business description. Now tap on Next. On this page, you have to add photos of your store. Turn on the surveys and pilots and tap on Next. Just make sure you need to verify your business. With email address, mobile phone, and address without verification, your business page is not visible to the public. Once it is verified, your My Google Business page will be visible for everyone. Thanks for watching.